Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to check your vehicle's starting and charging system. If you've ever experienced issues with your car not starting or dimming lights, this video is for you. Let's dive in and ensure your vehicle is running smoothly. What is the starting and charging system? The starting system includes components like the battery, starter motor, and ignition switch that work together to start your engine. The charging system, primarily the alternator, keeps your battery charged while the engine runs. Both systems are crucial for reliable vehicle operation. Tools you'll need: multimeter, battery terminal cleaner, wrench set, jumper cables. For testing, step 1, inspect the battery. Start by visually inspecting your battery for any corrosion or loose connections. If you see white, chalky residue, that's corrosion. Use a battery terminal cleaner to clean the terminals and ensure a good connection. Step 2, test the battery voltage. Using a multimeter, set it to DC voltage. Connect the positive lead to the battery's positive terminal and the negative lead to the negative terminal. A healthy battery should read between 12.4 and 12.7 volts. If it's below 12.4, it may need charging or replacement. Step 3, check the alternator output. Next, start the engine and test the battery voltage again. With the engine running, you should see a reading between 13.7 and 14.7 volts. This indicates that the alternator is charging the battery. If the voltage is lower than this range, the alternator may be failing. Step 4, test the starter. If your battery and alternator are functioning properly but the car still won't start, it could be the starter. To check, tap the starter lightly with a wrench while someone else tries to start the car. If it starts, the starter is likely failing and should be replaced. Step 5, check for parasitic draws. If the battery keeps dying, there might be a parasitic draw. Turn off all accessories and remove the key. Set your multimeter to the amp setting and connect it in series with the battery. A draw over 50 milliamps indicates a problem. Conclusion: regularly checking your starting and charging system can save you a lot of headaches down the road. By following these steps, you can diagnose issues early and ensure your vehicle is reliable. If you find any problems beyond your comfort level to fix, don't hesitate to consult a professional mechanic. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive tips.